The TATE PT100 welding machine is designed for precise welding of temperature sensors like PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples. Whether you're in sensor manufacturing or industrial applications, this machine offers the precision and reliability you need. Equipped with advanced temperature control systems, the TATE PT100 ensures consistent welds by maintaining optimal heat levels throughout the welding process. This reduces the chance of thermal damage, ensuring the durability and accuracy of your temperature sensors. Its user-friendly interface and automatic calibration features make it perfect for both small and large-scale production runs, providing superior speed and reliability. We manufactured a state-of-the-art machine to deliver flawless results every time. Subscribe, like, comment.